Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Mamo. Say hi hi. Hi hi. Thank you. And this is Mommy. We are talking today about newborn cloth diapers. I don't have a newborn right now, but these were really helpful when Mama was a newborn. We used them for about 2 months, I would say, until she grew out of them. And then we moved on to her one size diapers like she's wearing right now. And here's another one. This is a pocket, which we will use basically all the way up until the time she potty trains and doesn't need diapers. But these newborn diapers for the beginning of her life were really, really helpful. These are all-in-one diapers. There's snaps closings, and then there's Aplex or Velcro hook and loop closing. So, Mamo, you hold this one. Thanks, girl. So, it's really helpful to have all of the diaper parts in one thing so that you do not have to worry about stuffing or folding or prepping the diapers to get ready for use. So everything that you'll need in this diaper is together. So there's 2 different tongues. Each tongue is 55% hemp, 45% cotton. So it's a hemp cotton blend. And can you come sit over here? Thank you. Mamo. So when you get these diapers, you're gonna want to wash them. Thirsties says to wash, I think, at least 4 times to fully prep, which means that the absorbency for the tongues and the inside will be fully absorbent. So the diaper will be most effective. But you know, I think I maybe did prep them at the beginning, but you can also just wash them once and then put them on baby. When baby is really little and the pico stump hasn't fallen off, there's these snaps on the newborn diapers, which are really helpful. So it makes the diaper even smaller so that it doesn't agitate the pico area before the pico falls off. So if you use the Velcro, these are really easy for caretakers to use as well. So you can just use it just like a disposable diaper. Before you put it in the wash, you're gonna want to put these side tabs on the hook and loop here so that the Velcro doesn't get stuck on anything in the wash. The prints are just so cute and they're so little. These ones so cute. Okay. Wake up. Oh boy. Newborn poop is really easy to clean because you don't need to spray out anything. Their poop is water soluble, so you can just throw the whole diaper. If it's dirty, you can throw it into the washer and then dry it or hang dry it, and then it comes out ready to use. I can put it back on baby. What we did is we used these Thirsty cloth wipes, which can be used for cleaning up poop as well. But you can fold it into threes just like that, a trifold, and you can put it right on top of the diaper for extra absorbency. You can also fold the tongues if, for example, if you have a boy, or mom will also wet a lot in the front. You can fold it like this and then put on the diaper like that, so you have more layers of absorbency in the front. So another way you can boost the absorbency of a newborn diaper is using a cotton doubler. So this is from Thirsties as well. If you can see, Mamo bit a little bit of the tag already. But what you would do is you can just lay them. So imagine there's one separated. You can just lay it on the top here and close it up, and it adds another layer of absorbency. Mamo. How many newborn diapers do you need? This depends on how often you're planning to wash. I would recommend washing every 2 to 3 days, even after the newborn stage. So newborns go through 10 to 12 or more diapers a day. So if you're washing every other day, I would recommend having at least 24 diapers on hand. So that's two whole days of diapers that you can throw in the wash, and then I would recommend probably having at least a few more extra on hand to put on baby while those diapers are in the wash. So it's just like your regular clothes, right? When it's laundry day, you have extra t-shirts or whatever to wear while your shirts are in the laundry. So same thing with cloth diapers. I think when we had Mamo in a newborn, when she was in newborn size, we had about 36 to 40 newborn diapers, and that was also because we hang dried her diapers, so we didn't throw it in the dryer. We would throw them in the dryer occasionally, but because they were hang drying, there was a little bit more of drying time that we needed to account for. So we wanted to make sure we had at least a full day's worth of diapers while the diapers that were coming out of the laundry were drying. Another good thing with newborn cloth diapers, even though that you won't use it for very long, only a few months, is that you can trade them on Facebook Marketplace, on Craigslist. So what I did, these are actually not the ones I use with Mamo, but I sold all my newborn diapers. You can sell them so you can get your monies back, and then you can also use them to buy more diapers.